Wow, look at all these colorful surprise eggs. They are floating and bouncing with excitement. I wonder what's inside. Let's pick one and find out. Which egg should we open first? This one looks super fun. Let's shake it. Do you hear that? Something is inside. Let's open it. Pop. Whoa, look at all the sparkles. And it's a mystery toy. What could it be? Let's take a closer look. It's a toy. Wow, it looks so cool. Let's spin it around and check out all the details. This is amazing. Wait a minute. What's this? A big golden surprise egg? It's glowing. Let's open it and see what's inside. Wow, it's a super special toy. This is the best surprise ever.